How to set the Karlsson big flip wall clock from Aspen of Hereford Limited. If we go to the back of the clock, the first thing you need to do is put in the batteries. It takes a single AA battery here and 2 D cells in this compartment here. If we go back to the front of the clock, you can see an analog clock here. This is the movement for the analog clock, and on it is the control dial to change the time. Now this changes exactly the same as any other analog clock, apart from the fact that when you go past midday, it'll either change the day or from AM to PM. So if I carry on, I'll hear the motor go in preparation to do this. Once it's making the noise, just pause for a minute and let it finish before you carry on. And then if we carry on towards midday, as we come to the 12 o'clock, the motor will run again and it will change to the afternoon. If we go on to the back of the clock again, we've got 2 control wheels here and a 3rd control wheel down here. These control the month, the date and the day. So if you need to change these, all you do is move the wheels. And 7th, and we can turn it to May. Now if we look at the top of the clock, we've got the year. Now this can be accessed through this panel at the back. If we pull these lugs up here, we can lift that panel out. Inside you'll find a cardboard box. In here you'll find the replacement numbers for the year. They're very easy to take in and out. Just pull off the top lugs and lift off. Be careful not to drop them through the gap. And to put them back, you simply push them onto the bottom lug and push them onto the top lug. And then all the numbers store very nicely in the box, which fits in the back of the clock, so they never get lost. To put the back on, simply line it up with the pegs at the bottom and simply just push it back into place. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching.